Okay, hello, welcome back to another C tutorial. Today we're going to be doing an interview question from Cracking the Coding Interview. How to reverse a C-style string. Perfect, we're in C. Right, so I'm going to create a char array here, and what I'm going to do is start from the end of string and just iterate through a loop here. So putting each character into the temp array, the array temp, on every iteration. So we want to go backwards. Okay, so I'm going to create something here to get the length of temp, and we are going to then set temp len equal to string I, and then update the last character to be the null terminating character. So our string here, so the first character we're going to put in is G. So after one at the start it's this, there's nothing in the string. Then after one iteration, TMP looks like this, G, and then that's that line. And then length then is pointing to here, just after the G. So then when we assign that, it looks like this, a null terminating character, so that we have a correct string and we don't get a segfault. Okay, so that's going to update the string in reverse order in temp, and then we want to turn temp into a char array so that we can return it back. So we're going to create a variable here, and we're going to set this to be char pointer. So let's just go back up here and initialize this. Okay, and we need to create a variable for length. Okay, so len can be an integer there really as well, but size t is quite bigger. And create the space, so string len string +1, and then we just do string copy, return string, and tmp, and then we return return string. Wow, what a tongue twister. Okay, then we can test, so reverse, and hello, this is a test, what did I call it, test string. So that's how you would reverse a string. That, so then I guess you want to talk about your big O complexity, so that's going to be O of n, because the only thing it depends on is the length of the string. Our space complexity will be, yeah, O of n as well. It's linear because we're only dependent on the size of TMP, which is going to be the size of the string. So there you have it. Hope that helps, and good luck if you have an interview coming up. You'll do fine. Just practice, practice, practice. Thanks for watching.